Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Facebook lag and buffering. So let's open our Facebook app. After that go to settings. In the right corner tap on settings, scroll down and find media, tap on it. In the media quality section, you can see data saver and optimized. If you have data saver, it will lower the resolution of all videos, which is good for slow internet. But if you have high speed internet, then you have to enable the optimized setting. If this does not work fixing your issue, then it might be a glitch. So go to settings, then tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. Here find Facebook app, tap on it and make sure to offload the app. This won't delete your data or log you out. You can simply reinstall it after. If you have any other solution, let us know in the comment section to help other people. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.